We ask, how can it be that one has sufficient olive oil in front of him, mehuda, sufficient amount, and yet we will tell him that he has to light with wax candles? The answer is based on the Bar Heitev. In Tafrei Shayim Gimel Seif Katan Aleph, he brings from the Shvus Yaakov, one who started preparing his wax candles, started gluing them to the bottom of his menorah, and then suddenly somebody gives him the amount of olive oil that he needs. We will tell him, no, you're not going to light with the oil now. You're going to continue ahead with the preparations, and you will light with the wax candles, because if you let the wax candles be, you let them go, and now you switch over to the olive oil, that is a bizayon to the mitzvah, it's a bizayon to the candles. And if that's the case, and one has to be sensitive as if to the feelings, not that candles have feelings, but as if, how much more so, how careful we have to be and sensitive towards feelings of people. So the answer to our question is, he started preparing his wax candles, and then somebody came and gave him the olive oil. We will tell him to go ahead and to light with the candles from wax.